When I paint, I always stand very strong with my feet hip width apart, and I just rock back and forth and from side to side until I really feel connected to the earth, and I can feel like the energy coursing up through my body, through my legs, my pelvic bowl, up through my diaphragm. Lift and open your chest by lifting up your shoulders and dropping your shoulders back. If you are seated, sit at the edge of your seat, still pressing into the floor with your feet, and move them around so you feel that contact. So we're going to explore a couple different ways of breathing. And so the first thing I want you to do is, it's always a good idea, if you've found a place to meditate, to kind of own the space and feel comfortable, know your boundaries. So just by maybe turning to the left and looking as far as you can, and then over to the right and looking as far as you can, and come back to center. And then just take a look around your space. And hopefully that will make you feel a little bit more comfortable as you get yourself together for a meditation. Today, I want us to start by just taking a couple natural breaths in and out. And then when you're ready to begin and join me, place one hand on your heart and one hand on your abdomen. And I'm going to lead us into a series of breath exercises. So please just take a deep breath in, inhaling deeply. And then hold, then release, exhaling completely. Some of you may want to make an audible breath noise. Sometimes that's comforting. And exhale completely. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. Now we're going to do 4-part breathing or box breathing. So I'm going to count to 4 on the inhale. So you inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, then hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, then release. 4, 3, 2, 1, and pause. 4, 3, 2, 1. We'll do this 3 times. Inhaling. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause. 2, 3, 4. Release. 4, 3, 2, 1, and pause. 4, 3, 2, 1. 2 more times. Inhaling. 1, 2, 3, 4. Lift and hold. 2, 3, 4. Release. 3, 2, 1, and pause. 3, 2, 1. Last one. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause and hold. 2, 3, 4, and release. 3, 2, 1, and pause and relax. 2, 3, 1. So that's a breath exercise that sometimes can be easier to remember because you count to 4 with each beat. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to inhale, lifting our hands up overhead, inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4. Just go as high as you can, and then turn and press down as you release. 3, 2, and 1. Inhaling 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause, release. 2, 3, 4. Deeply now, inhaling 1, 2, 3, and release. 3, 2, 1. Now place one hand on your heart and one hand on your abdomen. And this time, fill your belly as you inhale. And then keep going, filling your chest. And then release. Inhaling deeply. Fill your belly. When your belly's full, fill your chest. And then release. And feel it move like a wave through your body. Inhaling, filling your belly. Continue and fill your lungs. And release completely. Now we're going to do some twists. And one way to do this is reach one hand up overhead, and the other hand, if you're seated, can grab your chair, pressing your pinky. Or if you're standing, press your hand out to the side. And now I want you to tilt and look up underneath your arm. And as you inhale, continue the twist. And as you exhale into the twist, and inhaling once more into the twist, and exhaling, release. Now do the other side. Inhaling up. Look up at the ceiling underneath your arm. And now inhale, continue the twist. And exhale, continue the twist. Inhale, continue the twist. And release. This next breath exercise is you exhale sharply, and then your inhale just becomes involuntary. So you go like this. So we're going to do this 10 times, and you'll notice you'll just automatically take an inhale. So we'll do this beginning 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and release. We'll do it again, and this time I won't be counting, but we'll do it 10 times. And release. Last time. Now rest your hands in your lap or on your knees or at your side, whichever's most comfortable. And take a nice deep breath in. And notice how you feel. And if you feel a little lightheaded, that's normal. and just shake your hands out and we'll begin.